How are you?
Mr. Saget, how are you?
How are you doing? I missed your name when I got on.
My name is Josh. What is that?
Hi,
About to do?
Josh.
That button takes a still picture. I've never used this.
Let me take a picture. Here, you smile now. I'll smile. Let me take one more. Here we go. Good. How you doing? So you are not in the best of health, it looks like.
No, I'm not. But I got to say first, my wife Bethany and I are huge fans of yours.
Thank you.
Back in, I think it was the end of November, our friend David Armstrong reached out to your wife, I believe, and you made me a video, and he emailed it to me at like 1:30. We live in Los Angeles, or northern Los Angeles County.
Right.
And at like 1:30 in the morning, he emailed it to me and he texted me and he said, "Wake up right now and check your email." And so I checked my email and I got the video from you and I was like blown away. So I'm like shaking her and I'm like, "Wake up, lady."
That's so nice.
And so it just blew us away. So I wanted to say a big thank you. It was right before Hanukkah and Christmas.
Right.
And it was awesome.
Well, how's your health now? What's the status?
We're going better. So I'm currently in the hospital right now, as you can see by my presidential suite here.
Yeah.
I get a single person room because nobody can be around me because of all the chemicals and stuff like that. So this is round 7 of 9. And these last 3 rounds have to do more of a preventative measure. I can't even talk.
No
because
worries.
they don't want it to come back in like the brain and the spine and stuff like that. So this is pretty spicy stuff that I got behind me here. But they claim after that, towards the summertime, they give me about a 70% chance of being back, up and running, back to work. I'm a police officer out here in Los Angeles. So everything's kind of still up in the air, but we're definitely moving in a positive direction. So that's all that matters.
Good. Well, I'm sending you lots of healing energy and stuff.
Yeah, so that's good.
Yeah, I'm knocking on wood.
So my buddy Dave again, he goes, "Hey, I know you're going back in the hospital. There happens to be this event on March 3rd. You happen to download this Looper app, and you might happen to find something on there." So,
thank you. And you're given to the Scleroderma Research Foundation, but I wish I was given to you right now.
So that all worked out good. So
I always say no one gets a free ride except bus drivers.
That's true facts. True facts.
I think that's about it.
My dad used to tell me that there's nothing for free, not even air. So
not anymore.
Not anymore. So I got my little extra phone here, and I thought up let me think of like 5 off the wall questions that I would want to know. So if it's okay, I'd like to ask you these 5 off the wall questions.
Hit 'em up.
So once I beat all this, I got to get back into my bourbon game because I'm a bourbon fan.
Yeah.
So favorite bourbon, or is it a Scotch, or is it a rye whiskey?
Bullet. But I'm a Scotch guy. I'm a single malt Scotch guy. So that would be Macallan's, 18 and up.
Gotcha. You like the smoky flavor?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. Okay. And then followed right up by cigar. I'm also a cigar guy.
I love a Cohiba. My friend Norman Lair says there's nothing as fine as the Havana leaf. But but I like these Auroras. They come in a tube, and it's funny. I haven't had one in a while. I haven't smoked a cigar in a while. I just took a little break, but I love them. Yeah, but you're right. Right now you got oxygen.
Yeah.
You can't.
I also took a break from hair, eyebrows. Actually,
you're on a break.
Body hair.
You took a little break.
I took a little break. So your Instagram, you got a couple million people on Instagram. You got a couple million people on TikTok. Do you run all those right off your phone yourself?
Off my phone. And then my wife will say, "Hey, want to do a thing?" And I'll go, "Sure." And then we do something and it gets millions of people to like it. So I just go along.
Do you edit it up yourself on the little app? And
some of it. I'm about to edit one that I don't know if it'll be good. I sent it to her and she says, "Oh, I'll fix it." She does things in like 6 seconds. She's a producer. She just knows how to do that crap.
Right. What other questions do I have on here? Okay, so my favorite thing that you were in was Entourage.
That was a lot of fun, and
that was good TV back then. I don't know if they could do shows like that anymore.
No, it's funny. There's an Entourage podcast with Doug Allen, and he does it with with oh God, Kevin Dillon and Kevin Connolly, and they just had Jeremy Piven on, and I don't, there's a lot of that old sexism. I don't
Right.
think they can do it.
I don't think they could do it anymore either. That was, I mean, as for entertainment, at least speaking for myself personally, and millions of other people obviously did too.
Yeah.
That was a good show. What was your experience being on there? Was that a good overall experience?
Yeah, I was there like 4 times. I did the show, and so every time I did it, I loved it. I was like the family dog. I would just keep showing up. So it was really good. And I knew Doug Ellen from when I was a stand-up. He was a young writer.
Yeah.
So when I was he would see me at the clubs, and he knew my roots, so he wrote me the way he saw me. And it was really fun. It was fun. It was a crazy set, and I was so crazy at that time.
Yeah.
I was single for some of it.
And so lastly, my wife Bethany wanted me to ask you, does Fuller House have a long life ahead of it? Is that going to be going on?
No, it's over. It was 6 years and it's done.
It's done.
Unless the only thing they could do would be like a movie, but I don't think that would work. They could do a Netflix movie if they wanted to, but I don't know if anybody would do it. I don't know if the girls would do it. I don't know if John would. Depends on what they did with us. I wanted to make like a PG-13 movie with the original cast and make Ashley and Mary Kate exec producers. They get money. John gets money. I get money. You make it worthwhile for everybody, because that's what's fair. Besides the producers that deserve their money. And Warner Brothers, I just don't think it'll ever happen. Maybe they'll bring it back with another cast one day. That's what I think will happen. I don't think it'll really ever go away.
Right. Especially, I would agree with you, because the original one, that was like my era.
Right.
I turned 40 a week ago, and so that was kind of my era.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So at least I wasn't in the hospital on my birthday. That's all I cared about.
All I care about is that you get well. Just get well now.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
So anyways, that was it. It was really, really good talking to you. I really appreciate you doing this. And I've been looking forward to it all day. I came in the hospital yesterday, and I was talking to Dave actually, and his wife who passed had scleroderma. Am I pronouncing it correctly?
Yeah.
Yes. And the stuff that they are giving me today, by chance, they were giving her too. So we were talking about it.
What's it called?
Methotrexate.
Never heard of it.
I never heard of it up until this morning either.
Right. Well, I want you to get well, so do that.
So yeah,
and then you'll come and see me do stand-up and stuff.
Absolutely. You were going to do one in Irvine, I think.
I might do it again. It's a drive-in, but I might do it again. I don't know.
Yeah, that's like an hour and a half from us. So
yeah. But I'm talking about doing it again because they're still doing it. I'm not sure though. But I've got that. Well, have you been watching all night, right? I got Noelle. Noelle's waiting for me right now.
Oh, okay.
She's been through a lot too.
Yes.
Oh,
and I watched your last one with Susan, that you did, the last special that you did.
Right.
A couple months ago.
Yeah, that was 0 to 60.
Yes.
I was happy with that.
Hopefully the Comedy Store and all those spots on Sunset, hopefully LA County opens everything.
They need to come back. And the Comedy Store is doing a big event with Bill Burr and with Jeff Ross and Whitney Cummings and David Spade. I think at the Rose Bowl. They're doing some big event.
As soon as LA County wants to decide to pull themselves together.
It's soon. It's a drive-in approved thing.
Oh, it's a drive-in approved thing. Oh,
something like that. Yeah, it's online. It's at the Comedy Store if you look at it on Instagram.
Okay. Awesome.
Thank you for watching this. I wish you a lot of good health right now.
Thank you. I appreciate it so much.
Say hi to Bethany.
I will. I will definitely send her your love.
And take care. I'll tell Noelle you said hi.
You got it.
Get well, man.
All right. I'll talk to you. Thank you so much.
Lots of love. Thank you.
All righty. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Perfect timing. There you go.
Oh, hi, Bethany.